For making the tracker knot, we need a rope and an object. In this case, I use this carabiner. We take the rope. This is the standing part. This is the running hand. I take a bight and put the bight under the standing part, like this. The running hand, I pass it over this loop over here. And then I take the bight. I have to be careful how to turn this part of the knot. The rope has to stay in the right position, and I put it back inside this part, like this. Okay, and the first part of the knot is done. Then what we are going to do? We have this loop, and we put the running hand inside the object. So then we put the running hand inside this bight. What we have now? We have this kind of loop around the knot and the object that can be used for tighten the knot like this. I can pull and create some tension for the rope. So it's very good for secure some objects on or pull something with this knot. Then I took the rope and I do 2 hitches. 1 and 2. And the knot is done. This part of the knot secure the secure this part of the rope, is that this one is used for pulling the knot.